Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and have another video for you. This time I was going to compare Yugis Closet with Fashionphile. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I say. Alright, so I thought it'd be a fun video to basically compare. So I have recently put in a few quotes to both Fashionphile and Yugis Closet. So if you guys are not familiar with these two online, I guess you could call them consignment stores. So they are probably the most renowned, consignment shops on, I wouldn't say on the internet, but maybe like in the luxury community. Everybody knows who Fashionphile is and Yugis Closet. And I thought it'd be interesting to basically, because I am in the middle of trying to sell some of my items, especially those that I just don't use. And so I could try to, fund other things. And so, yeah, so let's start with trying to figure out the best way to do this, but I'll probably put screen caps on here. So let's start with how you go about selling your items to these different outlets. So let's start with Fashionphile. Of course you have to have, an account and all that good stuff, but when you go to sell your handbag, which is in the, I guess beyond like top right section of the website, it'll get you to a page that says get an offer for your item. It has a drop down menu to basically select your item's designer, and I do believe that they do limit what they do accept, because I do remember that I did try selling, or I tried getting a quote before for a Burberry watch, and yeah, they said it wasn't luxury enough. But anyways, and so there's another section on here that says item name, and then here you are able to drop as many images, I think, as you want. And then there is a section where you can write down item condition and comments, and this is where you're basically going to write how old it is, pretty much, and what else, maybe like major scuffs, anything like that, so they can evaluate the item as well as possible. And here I would definitely recommend trying to, especially if your item is really in good condition, try to exaggerate here a little bit. And like I said, they do, you can upload as many images. Well, I don't know if it's unlimited, but I've uploaded a ton of pictures myself, and I've never had to remove any. Okay, and so Yugis Closet, also you have to have an account with them, and so that's really easy to do. And then there is a, I think it's on the, this is the left side of the website. It says sell to us. You click that, and then you go to this web page called My Quotes, and you'll be in the Get a Quote section. Here again, you will select your designer, the style, I guess the name of the bag, and then here, which differs the most between Fashionphile and Yugis Closet, is that Yugis Closet only allows you to upload 2 pictures. And so this is the toughest part, because you have to basically upload the best pictures you got. Also, here is a section that says date code or serial number. The condition is a drop-down menu. You can select new, like new, gently used, or well used. And then here they also have age of the item in years, and here's another section that says I have the following, and you just basically check original box, dust bag, original tags, or the authenticity card. And again, just like Fashionphile, they do have a section that has additional notes. And here again, especially if your item is in pristine condition, you know, note that, because especially with just 2 pictures, they're not going to be able to, you know, basically gather that information from those 2 pictures. Okay, so let's start. So I have 4 items that I had submitted for a quote to both of these websites, and let's start with this item right here. It is from Chanel, and I've already gotten the quote, so I could tell you how much they quoted me. And so this item comes with the original box, this white sleeve. There is also tags on here, and this originally retails for, you can see it, $580. It comes also with the care booklet, like I said, dust bag, and then this is the item right here, which is a key case, and it also comes with the authenticity card. Okay, so this one I have used, and so I put, I think I put very good condition, because I take care of my stuff, and this piece in particular, you can see it is in caviar, so it's hard to basically tell if there's scratches or anything, and the hardware is in ruthenium, and again, so it's hard to tell if the scratches were put on there by me or if they were there originally. Has a chain intact, and the sticker is inside as well. I won't try to get you a close-up of that. But yeah, so aside from having the receipt, this is basically considered a full set. Okay, so let's go in and see how much Fashionphile offered me for this piece. Okay, so for this piece, Fashionphile is offering me a buyout of $350, and Yugis Closet is offering me, where did it go? A direct purchase of $240 to $270. So, of course, if I were to pick one place to sell it to, I would pick Fashionphile, because they are offering me about $100 more. Okay, so sometimes they do give you the option to consign. It just so happens that for this item, neither Fashionphile or Yugis Closet wanted to give me the option to consign. They just wanted to, you know, direct purchase it. All right, so that is item number 1. Item number 2 is in this box right here, and I thought it'd be a good idea to have a variety of items. I mean, I'm only gonna be showing you guys Louis Vuitton and Chanel, because I'm primarily trying to, you know, sell off some Louis Vuitton and Chanel. But with this item comes with a box, and here's inside. I did not take a picture of inside the box, but it does have some tissue paper in there. Let's see, and so this is the item. Comes with a dust bag. It has the tags, and this item is the toiletry pouch 26. And like I've mentioned in videos before, this is in basically brand new condition, because I've only put my stuff in there just to see, you know, how they fit. Okay, and there you go. The vachetta is still in very light leather, and this piece I believe was from 2016. So yeah, basically brand new though. So let's go and see how much Fashionphile and Yugis Closet offered me. Let me just put this away real quick. Alright. Okay, so Fashionphile is offering me a buyout of... so the original price of this item, I'm actually not sure because it is from 2016, but the current retail price is $445 before tax, and Fashionphile is offering me $425. And in my previous video, I showed that Some of these toiletry pouch 26s on that site are going for $750. And so even if I do sell it to them for $425 and they are able to sell it for about $750, they still get a lot of money, okay? All right, so Yugis Closet, they are offering me a direct purchase of $190 to $210. So womp womp. I'm definitely not gonna, sell it to Yugis Closet. And now with Yugis Closet, they give you a range. In this case, is $190 to $210 because when they get it in their warehouse or whatever, they're gonna inspect it and offer you either the lower end or the top end. And in my experience with selling to Yugis Closet, I've always gotten the higher end because, like I said, I am completely honest with, listing things, and what they see is what they got. Okay, so the next item now, let's go to this item here. It is a Chanel item, and it comes with a box. Comes with the care booklet. You can see comes with a dust bag. Okay. This item is my Chanel French Riviera. And it also comes with, if I could find it, it also comes with the authenticity card. Just like all of my Chanel items, I don't have a Chanel piece that does not have a authenticity card. Well, my brooches don't come with authenticity cards, but they never did in the first place. Okay, so this piece is in gorgeous, pristine condition. I just don't use it, and so I thought better to try and sell it instead of basically letting it collect dust. As you can see, oh my gosh, the box is very dusty. Okay, so let's go into Fashionphile. So I did purchase this item pre-loved, and so I'm not sure what the retail value was when the person originally purchased it, but currently, if you can find one of these bags in the store, so these are very hard to find. They are a good alternative to the jumbo because they are basically the same size, but this one is very smushy and more everyday, and I love it, but I just don't use it because I have other bags that I use. Anyway, so right now I believe the size large, which is what I have right there, it retails for $3,400. Okay, and so now Fashionphile is offering me a buyout of $1,250. And Yugis Closet is offering me, okay, so this one they're offering me both direct purchase and consignment. So direct purchase, they are offering me $1,160 to $1,260. And consignment, and they say in parentheses, after our fee is deducted, they are looking at about a range of $1,370 to $1,470. So still on the lower end of what I would like to get for this bag, but those quotes are pretty much in the same ballpark. I am currently selling this item on my my shop docLUXURY Instagram, and I've also listed it on Facebook, but I am trying to get above the $2,000 mark. But yeah, if I don't get that, I might as well keep it because maybe one day I'll have a need for it, or I could just give it to my mom because she loves the red one that I gave her. And yeah. Okay, so last item I have comes in this dust bag. And this is such a beautiful bag. It is a briefcase, and it is of course from Louis Vuitton. Now this only comes with the what is this called again? The dust bag, like I just said. This one has a little bit of tarnishing of the gold hardware or the brass hardware, but otherwise this bag is in gorgeous condition. So this is called the Altona GM. It is a larger version. You can see there is two sections of this briefcase. And yeah, this bag is just beautiful. There's no scratches on the leather, but I just think, you know, it's too big. I have the PM version, or the smaller version of this briefcase, and I think I would more than not be able to use that instead of this large one. Okay, so let's see what Fashionphile and Yugis Closet is offering me. So Fashionphile, now this is a vintage bag. It's a very old one. I don't know what the retail value was when, you know, they were still in the stores, but I have seen some go for $700 or so on the pre-loved market, like eBay or Yugis Closet or Fashionphile. But so Fashionphile is offering me a buyout of $400, and Yugis Closet is offering me, they also give me a direct purchase or a consignment option. Direct purchase, they're offering me $300 to $330, and for consignment, they are offering me $355 to $385. And so now I'm not sure if I will take any of these offers, but I just thought that I'd you know, send in a few of my items, or pictures rather, to get quotes just to see what I can get, as opposed to try to sell them myself. Oh my god, eBay is such a horrible place. I am currently going through a dispute, and yeah, it's just horrible. So if somebody else could, you know, buy it from me and I'll just ship it to them, they offer shipping, or they offer you know, the price for shipping, then hell, I'm probably gonna go with it if it does give me a good you know, price. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to you know, do for this video. I hope you had fun. I mean, if you have any questions about any of these websites, I have, you know, done quotes several times in the past, and I have sold. I don't think I've ever actually sold to Fashionphile, but I have sold to Yugis Closet, only because Yugis Closet usually gave me the higher quote, but now it just seems like Fashionphile gave me the higher ones. So if anything, I'll probably sell to Fashionphile. What else can I say? Oh, there is also one thing that I have heard also, and it is true. So if you're not happy with a quote, you can send it in again later on. Let's say maybe wait a week, and chances are you will have a different person evaluate your item, and maybe you'll get a little bit more money. You know, but then again, maybe you won't. So yeah. Alright, I guess that does it for this video. Until next time, remember, oh, also, don't forget to enter in the Men on Bags giveaway, because it is such an awesome giveaway. And yeah, the deadline is April 30th at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. Check out the Instagram of Men on Bags, docLUXURY, which is me, and frozenluxury, just to see how you enter, or you can look for the video on YouTube under Men on Bags also. Alright, until next time, remember, be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Bye.